Simplesat enables the seamless integration of CSAT, CES, NPS, and 5-star rating surveys directly into your Zoho email templates. This enhances your ability to gather valuable customer feedback without having to switch between tools. Begin by creating your survey. Customize it to your liking. Then, head over to the Publish tab and simply select the External Email Embed option. Then, select Zoho from the pop-up box. Click the Generate Embed Code button. Make sure you're on the HTML option, then click Copy Survey. Proceed to your Zoho account, and then access the Setup menu, followed by Customization and then Templates. Within the Templates section, select Email Templates, and then choose Contact Notification, followed by Notify Contact on Ticket Closure. Finally, click Edit. Note that you have the flexibility to incorporate a Simplesat survey into either a new Zoho template or an existing template of your choice. Click the drop-down arrow and select Insert HTML option. Paste the survey code that you copied from your Simplesat account and then click the Insert button. Customize the email template, then click Save. Note that Simplesat also enables the seamless integration of CSAT, CES, NPS, and 5-star rating surveys directly into your Zoho macros and workflows. Alright, now let's look at how Simplesat integrates with Zoho. Simplesat has the capability to synchronize feedback data with custom fields in both tickets and contacts. Simplesat offers the option to add feedback directly to the associated ticket, contact, or both. This streamlines your data management process and enhances efficiency and convenience. Adding ratings and sentiments to ticket tags provides the advantage of easy categorization and improved ticket management. Ultimately, this will enhance your customer support workflow. Every time your customer submits a rating, Simplesat will automatically associate the following information with the response, offering you the benefit of comprehensive insight and analysis. Just like with ongoing email surveys, after embedding the survey and setting up the integrations, everything will seamlessly operate in the background without requiring any additional effort from your end. If you have any questions or you'd like some assistance, our team is ready to help through live chat or a quick screen share call. Whatever you need, just let us know.